Welcome back, Brown Beauties, and today I have some very exciting news for you ladies on my channel. I am just so excited and I'm so amazed by the thing that I got to tell you, you know. So I got selected to be a Shea Moisture Ambassador for 2019. Yay! And I am so grateful for the opportunity because hence this was one of my New Year's resolution, was to be a brand ambassador for a major hair company, major brand, especially for natural hair. And because I love Shea Moisture and I love their products and I believe in their products, and I haven't used the Shea Moisture like forever since my natural hair journey. I think since to about 2008-9. I love this brand and I love this company, and I was amazed and blown away that I even had an opportunity, that they even give us people opportunities to become brand ambassadors, and you know, and just to grow us and to grow our platform and talk about the products and things like that. And I thought it was an amazing opportunity, and this has been one of my New Year's resolutions for the last 2 years. And for the last 2 years I have tried and I've submitted videos and things like that to become a brand ambassador, and I was not chosen. And you know, and I said, you know, maybe next year, one of these days, I'm going to be a brand ambassador. And I kept this on I kept this goal every year, and this year has been the year that I have achieved this goal, and I am so freaking excited. You do not know how much, you know, you don't know how much this means to me, Shea Moisture, because it's like one of my dreams come true, is to work with you guys. I love your products. Oh, I love your products. I am a hoarder of Shea Moisture, and I use it on my hair and I use it on my kids' hair. So yeah, so now that we done got all up and through there about, you know, now I'm a Shea Moisture ambassador, a brand ambassador for 2019. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the box that they sent to their brand ambassadors for 2019. So let me go get the box. So here is the box for Shea Moisture for 2019. And as it says, it has no sulfates, no parabens, no, I don't even know all the words, no mineral oils, no animal testing. So as you can see, this is the box, and it is this beautiful gray box. Let me get it together. This beautiful gray box, and it says Shea Moisture. Yeah, Shea Moisture. And I really do like Shea Moisture as well, because they do they give 10% back of all the products that they sell. They give 10% back to the community. That is something amazing. And you know, I thought it's very great, and it's just like amazeballs. So here is the box that they give you, and I just am so in love with this box. I'm amazed by the product selections in this box, and I'm just gonna go over everything in the box to let you know if I've tried these products, if I haven't tried them, and the ones that I have not tried, I will be doing a video on them on my natural hair. I'm in a protected style. This is my Valentino wig by Freetress Equal. So this is the box, this is the wig right here. And my hair, my natural hair, is in some twists underneath this wig, you know, because I have kids, you know, 3 of them, 3 girls. So, you know, I just wear a lot of wigs. First things first, out of the box is I see one of my favorite shampoos, which is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Grow. Isn't it Strengthening and Grow? Strengthening and Restore shampoo. And it has organic shea butter, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and peppermint oil. And this is one of my favorite products. I have already used this product. I think I've already have a video about the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line already on my channel. So if I can find it, I think I do. If I can find it, I will link that up here in the iCard for you guys to check it out. But I really do love this shampoo. So I would tell you to thumbs this video up anyways, because I have 2 of these. This is the shampoo that I use on my hair as well as my daughter's hair. So I really do love this product. So there's no need to do a review on this product because I'm already approving it. So go get you some. And the next one, because we're going to stick in the order of shampoo, the next shampoo is the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair shampoo with myrrh oil and bamboo oil, and this is for extremely dry brittle hair, and it's sulfate free and it's color safe. So here is this product right here. And I have not used this product. I have not used this line. So I'm very happy and very excited to try out this product. And the products that I have not used, I will do a review on, and I will do a video letting you ladies know how I like the products, how I use the products, and should you go purchase this product. But I would definitely give you ladies an update on all of the products that's in this box. If I have not used them, like I stated, I will do a video on them. And the ones that I have already used, I'm going to tell you to go get them, just like I told you to go get the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo, because it's my fave. So also I got the 100% virgin coconut daily hydrating conditioner with coconut milk and Asia Senegal. I have not tried this brand. I have not tried the coconut oil brand. I have not tried the coconut oil line, excuse me. So this is the conditioner right here. I don't know if you're able to leave this in. I know with some of their conditioners you're able to leave it in. So no, this is a rinse out conditioner. But yeah, I would give you a review on this as well as a review on the shampoo. And the next product that I received was the Curl and Shine conditioner. This was one of the first lines that I picked up from Shea Moisture, was this one, because I started to love my Holy Grail moisturizer, which is the Curl and Enhancing Smoothie. I love that product. I have a whole bunch of them over here stashed, because this is one of my favorite products from, that's one of my favorite products from this line, is the Curl and Enhancing Smoothie. I cannot live without the Curl and Enhancing Smoothie. My hair cannot thrive. It cannot live, breathe without the Curl and Enhancing Smoothie. I love that product. I have to keep it on hand. But this is the conditioner, and I have already tried this product as well as the shampoo, conditioner, and all of the products that comes in this line. I would not do a review on this product because it's already a thumbs up. And I think this is the one that you're able to leave. Well, no, this is the one that you wash out. So this is not the one that you leave in. I think the restorative conditioner is the one that you can leave in. And yeah, this is the conditioner right here. And I say this is a thumbs up product as well because I've already tried this product. So go get you some of this conditioner. Also, they provided the sugarcane extract meadow foam seed silicone free miracle style leave-in treatment with marshmallow root. It is for all hair types. I have not tried this product, and it's a leave-in. Ooh, and it's liquidy. I never tried any leave-ins from Shea Moisture except for the restorative conditioner, and you can leave that conditioner in as a leave-in. So here is this product right here. And also I got a brush. This is a round brush, which I would not be using on my hair. I only use like the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush because that works wonders for my thick, luscious curls and coils. But I would not use this brush. Most likely I would use this brush for a wig, you know what I'm saying? A round brush. Okay. I will use this brush for, like, you know, my wig days. Oh, and it's, you know, working wonders on this little hair. And, you know, you can flip it. You know, flip it and stuff, you know. Okay. But yes, I will not use this brush on my hair, but I will use it on my wigs. So, yeah, they came with this little brush right here. So I think this is all that I got in the box. Let me go ahead and check, because it came packaged so pretty, and I was just like, oh my god, it came packaged so amazing. I don't even want to take it out of the box because the box is like so pretty. But yeah, this is everything that I got in my first brand ambassador box for Shea Moisture. Like I stated earlier, I love these products. There is no need for me to do a review on these products because I've already tried out these two products and they are a win for me. So go get you some. But far as this shampoo, this conditioner, and this leave-in, be on the lookout for a review on these three products. I will be using these three products all together, even though they're not from the same line. So yeah, be on the lookout for reviews on these products, updates on these products, and hopefully you ladies subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video, like, comment, subscribe. Not look at my videos and don't subscribe. If you're gonna look at my videos, subscribe. You looking? You here? You being nosy? You trying to see what's good? Subscribe to these videos. Subscribe to my channel. Go ahead. Press that button. Don't be over here looking, being nosy, and you not subscribing to this channel. Come on, subscribe. Even comment. Even if you ain't gonna subscribe, comment or something to say, hey, I saw your video. I'm lurking. Something, you know. So yes, ladies, be on the lookout for a product review on these 3 products. And as always, I love you brown beauties for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.